Hey, it's Britt, and I'm going to show you how to do a faux fishtail braid using a few hair elastics and tousled. Starting with a small section from each side, secure with an elastic, you are going to flip it up and over to create this cute little twist. Take another small section from each side and secure it with an elastic. Flip it up and over to create another twist. Repeat this a few more times depending on the thickness and the length of your hair. Cambry has really thick hair, so we did this maybe 4 or 5 times. Finish off with a small section from your pony and wrap it around a few times to hide your last elastic. Loosen it a bit and pull out any front fringe you might have. Spritz a few pumps of tousled into your pony for extra texture and bounce. Can't wait to see what you create! Don't forget to hashtag and tag us.